So in this video, we are going to discuss about the most important portion of this topic, that is the conversion. Same like the conversion of length and mass, here also we are going to do the conversion of liquid, that means capacity or volume, conversion of volume. That we are studying only two units, is it? Which are the milliliter and liter. And what is the conversion number? The conversion number is 1000. Okay. So it is very easy for you. From big to small unit, we will multiply. Small to big unit, we will divide. Only keep this in your mind. So what's the first question? Convert milliliter to liter. So you tell me milliliter is small, liter is big. Just think about that ladder which I given for your length. So milliliter is down, liter is up. So if we want to go from milliliter to liter, that means small to big, we will divide, is it? We will divide that. So here all the questions same, milliliter to liter. So 1200 milliliter, how we can convert to liter? It is 1200 divided by 1000. So if you want, you can cancel these two zeros. So it becomes what? It becomes 12 by 10. What is 12 by 10? We studied in decimal division. Division means we will move one unit towards left. Whatever, not one unit, depending upon the number of zeros. Here 12 by 10 means we will just move like this and it becomes 1.2 liters. Okay. Either you can do like this by cancelling, or else how we can do? 1200 divided by 1000. So how many zeros in 1000? In the denominator there are 3 zeros. So from here just count 3 digits and put the decimal. So it is 1, 2, 3. So where it will come? It is 1.2. In between 1 and 2 the decimal point will come. Is it? Same way we can do all the questions. Same, second one. What is that? 7000 milliliter. How we can do? 7000 divided by 1000. So 3 zeros I will move. 1, 2, 3. So where it will come? After 7 the decimal comes. That is 7.0, or it is same as 7 liter. Or we'll see 7000 divided by 1000. Always study, practice cancellation also, because as you go to higher classes, it will be always helpful for you. So 3 zeros in the denominator I can cancel. Numerator also 3 zeros I will cancel. So what will be the answer? It will be 7. Same. Coming to the third question, 3900 milliliter. So 3900 divided by 1000. Okay. So just 3 more points we will move. 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 3.9 milliliter. Sorry, 3.9 liter. Same way you do all these questions. Okay. It's all conversion from milliliter to liter. Okay. So next one, and see this one. All same only. 5005 milliliter divided by 1000. So no cancellation possible here because there is no zero in the last place. So I cannot cancel. So I know there are 3 zeros in the denominator. That is 5005 divided by 1000. So from here, I told you 5005 means it is same as 5005.0 because it is same. So nothing is there means actually the decimal is in the last place. So from here we need to move 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So where this will come in front of that? That is 5.005 liters. So you should always keep in your mind, after the decimal, if you are dividing by 1000, after the decimal, 3 digits should be there. That is 10th, 100th and 1000th. Okay. Is it clear for you? So same way you can do all these sums. Okay. Next one is conversion of liter to milliliter. That means big unit to small unit. Big unit up. Is it? When we go up the ladder, top is the big. So big to small, we are coming down. So we will multiply. So we know the conversion 1 liter, how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So what will be 4 liters? 4 multiply 1000, that is 4000. Is it? So same way you can do this all the question. Then coming to this question. 2 liter 500 milliliter we want to convert to milliliter. So 2 liter 500 milliliter means what? 2 liter plus 500 milliliter. Okay. We want to convert all the answers to milliliter. So you look here. Here 500 is already in milliliter. So whether we need to convert it again? No need to convert it. Is it? So we need to convert only 2 liters. 2 liters means how many milliliter? 2 multiply 1000. That is equal to 2000 milliliters. So this becomes 2000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. So what will be the answer? 2500 milliliter. Okay. Actually this big to small conversion is very easy compared to the other one. Is it? So same way, if liter and milliliter are given, you just see the question. Conversion to which? If we are converting to milliliter, if the quantity which are already in milliliter, no need to change that. We change only the other thing. Okay. So same here, only 10 liter. So straight away multiply by 1000. Again coming to this question, see. 7 liter, 10 milliliter. We want to convert to, if the question is to convert to liter, we will not convert this. 7 will be as such, 7. Only 10 we will convert to liter by dividing by 1000. But here it is to convert to milliliter. So already 10 is in milliliter, we will not touch that. Let it be like that. Only 7 we will change. So 7 liter is how many milliliter? 7 multiply 1000. That is equal to 7000 milliliter plus 10 milliliter. So it becomes what? 7010 milliliter. Okay. So first you go through this homework. This page is more important than the other. First you do the homework. Then after doing the homework, you check the answers. In the next slide, I'll give you the answers for this also. But please don't copy the answers. Go through this, do this, get the concept clear. Then you check the answer. And please send me your answers. If you have any doubts, please clear with me because it is very important. Even if the answer is wrong, no problem. I will clear it. Okay. Please attempt that. You try to do it. Okay. Okay, dear. So, I will give you the answers in the next slide. You do this first. Okay. Thank you. So same like that ladder for length, ladder for volume conversion also. When I was explaining the previous video, my little girl made this. Okay, that's why I'm just showing this. She's in grade 2. So she was just doing, my ladder was the other one. So she just made for this volume. Okay, just go through that. Otherwise she will be sad. That's why I'm showing this now. Otherwise you know this, I know. So see, again the ladder here, the lowest ladder step is milliliter and the higher one is liter. As we go from milliliter to liter, that is small to big, we will divide. As we go up, we will divide. And as we go down, we will multiply. That is to convert liter to milliliter, we will multiply. 1 liter, 1000 milliliter, 10 liter, 10 multiply 1000, 10,000 milliliter, like that. Okay, just keep this in your mind. And the conversion number is only 1000. Always it will be 1000. Okay, same for mass and kilogram also. Here comes gram and here comes kilogram. Okay, for that also. Just keep this also in your mind. Okay, so I will just discuss the answers of the conversion now. Okay, so we are going to discuss the answers in page number 241. Okay, that is a conversion. We already discussed about this. Just go through the answers. Convert milliliter to liter. So what is the factor which we know? 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. 1 milliliter equals 1 by 1000 liter. So here milliliter to liter. That means this milliliter to liter. That is dividing by 1000. Is it? So see, 1200 milliliter is 1200 divided by 1000. So we cancel the zeros first. So we can 2 zeros. In the numerator only 2 zeros comes last. So here also I can cancel 2 zeros. So it becomes 12 by 10. It is 1.2. Same 7000 divided by 1000, 3 zeros will cancel, so the answer becomes 7 liter. Okay, so here see 1500 divided by 1000, again I cancel 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. First you cancel the zeros in the numerator and check how many other 2. So here also 2. So 15 by 10 is 1.5. Same, the 5005 liter divided by 2 milliliter to liter. So 5005 divided by 1000. So 3 zeros. So I will move from here 1, 2, 3 digits. So what is the answer? The decimal comes in between 5 and 0. So it is 5.005 liters. Okay. So the next one is conversion of liter to milliliter. That also you know, multiply by 1000. Is it? 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So 2 liter 500 milliliter is 2 liter plus 500 milliliter. That is, this is already in milliliter, so I am not changing. 2 liter means 2000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. So what's the answer? 2500 milliliter. Same way we can do all the questions. See, this also I am explaining. 4 liter 100 milliliter. So already 100 in milliliter, so I am not changing. 4 liter means 4000 milliliter plus 4000 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. Is it? So it becomes 4100 milliliter. Okay. So same way you can do all the questions, and please send me the answers also. Okay. So which is the homework? So the homework for this volume is for the topic volume. Okay. Homework for the topic volume. That is workbook page 189. The pages 189 and 190. That also. So workbook 189 and 190. Okay, this is just measuring jars are given. We need to just read the readings, the level of water. That's all. Then student book also 240 and 241. 240 again measuring and finding the total something. 241 is the conversion. These two pages. Okay, and please do this as per your convenience and send me the answer. So one more topic is left for this chapter. After that we will finish the portions. The next is area and perimeter. That is also very easy thing. In one class or maybe two videos we can finish it. Okay. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Okay. Stay home safely, dears. Thank you.